How to fix Shopee M04 error. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Shopee M04 error. First, download the Shopee app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your mobile phone. Open the Shopee app and log into your account by adding your credentials. You can see recommended products with discounts on the home page. You can tap on any product to open details about it if you want to buy. Different options are available in Shopee like vouchers, coin rewards, travel, and more. Open settings on your phone and search for the option apps. Tap on the apps option. Scroll down and tap on Chrome. Go to the storage option and tap on the clear cache option at the bottom of the screen. Now open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search Chrome. Tap on Google Chrome and tap on Update to update the app to the new version. Wait a few seconds to update the app. Open Google Chrome and search Shopee support in the search bar. Go to the first link provided by Google, which takes you to the Shopee My Help Center. You can get help and search for the problem you face in the bar. You can get help to fix the M04 error in the Shopee app. The help support team will consider your problem. It will try to fix the problem in a few days. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.